The number one priority in the department is the restoration and sustainment of readiness for lots of reasons: sequestration, budget pressures, 15 plus years of war, overuse of our equipment, and many other dimensions. Readiness has been challenged, and near-peer competitors continue to posture and strengthen their positions around the world. So restoring readiness is essential and critical. From my perspective, there are more than two, but two critical areas with regards to doing that effectively and successfully. One is developing the tools and the systems and the measures to truly understand mission readiness. It's not an easy problem. It is not simply sufficiency of people or equipment or completion of training. It's much more complex. The interdependencies of those resources and how important they are to one mission versus another are not straightforward, but they're important. And then the ability to allocate costs to those resources is the other half of that calculus. And so to make smart decisions around where to spend the next dollar to get the most readiness return requires some higher end algorithms, methodologies, architectures, systems, tools, and data. And data integrity and data sufficiency is a perpetual problem. So that's one area we focus in, both around current readiness metrics and measures and cost of readiness, as well as future readiness, and what are the implications for investments that are made today that don't manifest on the readiness front for maybe several years. And how do you balance that portfolio of available budget and the requirements and the anticipated threat to restore and sustain the readiness that we need in the future global environment.